Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, download PowerPoint from the App Store and install it on your iPad. Sign in with your Microsoft account or continue with a free viewing mode. Choose OneDrive or Dropbox to save and sync files across devices automatically. Enable Apple Pencil support in settings for ink and annotations while presenting. Set the default slide format to 16:9 for widescreen compatibility with modern displays. Update the app regularly to access the latest features and stability improvements. Tap the plus icon to add new slides and choose a layout that matches your message. Use Apple Pencil to annotate, draw, and highlight content directly on slides while editing. Set body text to 24 pt for readable content and scale headings proportionally to maintain hierarchy. Insert images and videos by tapping Insert, then choose photos or files from OneDrive. Keep animations simple with fades and appear effects to ensure smooth playback on iPad. Duplicate slides to experiment without losing your original version. Connect to an external display using AirPlay, HDMI adapter, or USB-C to present from your iPad. Use Presenter View to see your notes, upcoming slide, and timer privately while attendees view the full slide. Export your presentation as PPTX for editing or as PDF for universal sharing and printing. Compress media at 50% when exporting to reduce file size for email or upload. Use rehearsal mode to practice timings and record automatic slide advances. During live delivery,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.